It's been done. So many of the newspaper industry has already implemented so many cost-saving measures. There's not a lot of fat left to cut. It's muscle at this point. So many things have been centralized. Human resources has been centralized. Finance has been centralized. Copy editing has been centralized, and there's arguments against that idea, but it has been done. But you can't centralize covering the Perez Museum in Miami. It's got to be done by a Miami Herald reporter. You can't centralize coverage of downtown Fort Lauderdale. You can't do that out of Chicago. You got to do that out of Fort Lauderdale. So I think the industry's at a point where if you cut any further, you're cutting muscle. You're not cutting fat, and you're going to have to make decisions and say, what won't we cover? We're going to put our resources into the Dolphins. We're not going to cover soccer, let's just say, because we just can't get enough readers out of it. Well, I don't know that that's the end of the world. I hate to say this, but it's just sports. But what if you make that decision and say, we're not going to cover Hialeah anymore because we don't have enough readers? Well, that's dangerous.